Hi everyone. Hey, it's officially day two. We got snowed out yesterday. As you can see on the pad here, there's about, I don't know, 5-6 inches. We got about a total of 14 inches over the last 28 hours or so. But I brought the snow blower to help in getting the snow off the pad. So that'll help not having to do it by ourselves here manually. Yeah, it kind of sucks to be building a barndominium in the winter, but it is what it is. So if we can build it in the winter, we can build it anytime. Anyway, so stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get some columns up today, and we'll start making more progress. Can you walk it forward? Okay. I got it. Wait. Let me get it higher. There we go. Let it go. Okay. Yeah, come on down. Straight up. What's that? That wire like straightens out. Yep, hold on to it there. You got her? Yep. Making some progress on our barndominium. As you see today behind me, we were able to put up the 4 columns. Just 2 of us were able to do that, standing them up. We used a pickup truck and the tailgate of the truck to help us leverage those into position. It was much easier to put the brackets on first and then line those up with the holes we drilled in the concrete prior. And then once we got those into position, we were able to kind of walk them into the holes and then drill them down so that they're secure. You'll see I've got some braces here tonight. Tomorrow we'll be bringing in probably a scissor lift to help us with some of the higher parts. But the most important first phase is to get these 4 columns in position. So once we get those secure, everything will bracket up to those and we should be good to go.